Let's be honest, sino yung nakaranas na, oh my God, may financial challenge talaga? Kayo lahat! Ano yung mga challenges ninyo financially in joining the pageant?
Dividing the cut of the earnings and the winnings.
Pag nanalo na to, pero right now,
Wala nang pera.
wala lang pera. So, I hope you didn't take up loans just to be able to compete. Of course, hindi lang yan. You're here for how many months already? 3. So that resulted to missed career and income opportunities. Ilan ba yung mananalo? 1 for the main title and then may 3 or 4 pa yun. So 5 yung mananalo siguro out of 66. What will happen to those 61? Minsan may emotional spending pa dyan and baka mag-retail therapy tayo, baka may ma-depress, you have to rebuild your confidence. There's the competition, but also let's be realistic. What's your post-pageant strategy? And I'd like to commend Miss Quezon kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman Iha na siya pala yung co-owner ng Kumi. So, post-pageant, meron na. Matuto tayo sa kanya. Diba? You have to come up with your strategy because visibility, it's not always equal to viability. You really have to prepare for what we call your post-pageant reintegration. Anong preparation na ginagawa?
Actually, I'm still a student, like of absence for this. And then, if ever naman natin ako manalo, I'm gonna be doing my externship and I'm gonna graduate.